So now I'll present the evolution, the latest developments, which involves the main the main refactoring from Inside Toolkit 4 to Inside Toolkit 5, which is the base of Orfeo ToolBox. So it became now in 2004 a necessary migration because ITK4 is not anymore maintained, and there is interesting changes that came with ITK5, like pip install ITK, which can enable pip install OTB. There were also changes in threading, in vector data, and in compiler compatibility, which is a lot of interesting changes. So the last version of Inside Toolkit 4 is in Ubuntu 22. It's no longer maintained since 2002, so it's making a lot of time. And the threading model was okay with older processes, but for now, there is some problem. It's not like the GIL in Python, but there is some locks that are not really good. And also the bigger problem is that with nowadays version of compiler, it needs to be patched. Another problem is that Debian does not package OTB because of ITK4 deprecated. So you can do apt install OTB bin. And it's the same case for all distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora. So with ITK5, we can now be sure that it will be packaged back in Debian. So it will be a performance improvement because of the new threading model. Modularization in ITK will enable maybe a pip install ITK and your module. And the big improvement is pip install ITK. It permits to develop filters in ITK only in Python. So it's a big demand now for Python. So you can develop maybe a full Python pipeline only with these filters. The big changes in code was the dynamic multi-threading. So there was in the merge request there are 505 files changed because of this new threading model, which we had to adapt the function names. We can also use the old multi-threading, but we had to keep it only on 5 filters. And there was also a big change is the application of ITK3, but there is no boost graph to handle trees for vector data. So this refactoring was made with no high-level API change. So if you came from OTB 9 and goes to 10, there will be no change for you. The Python API is unchanged, and the boost graph is only a header, so it doesn't add compilation time. About the compatibility, it's now compatible with all modern compilers, and no more patch is needed for ITK, which was a mess.